Ooh, seems no one is here. So in that case, welcome to Average Man in Street TV. Remember this problem where you want to remove wrong knowledge from ontologies and the systems ask you to remove too much? Well, it seems these guys in Linköping found a solution. They combine removing with weakening and completing so that you can remove wrong knowledge, but you can add correct knowledge back. And they show the different ways to combine these operations. They show that this has an influence on the completeness of your ontologies. They also showed that previous approaches have only looked at one of these possible combination solutions. And they also implemented some systems. Pretty cool, yeah? Oh, got to go. Welcome to Semantic Web Use. This is already running, right? It looks like he took our time. Oh well, just go and check out what he said. Demonstration by Ying Li and Patrick Lambrix on repairing ontologies. This was Semantic Web News, brought to you by Linköping University Low Budget Productions. Did I say low? I meant extremely low. Hey, don't hijack our news like that, will you? Sorry.